Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and I'm here today to tell you that I am launching a brand new pattern online called Butterfly Bunch, and I hope you'll check it out. Let me tell you a little bit about it. My latest pattern, like I said, will make this beautiful quilt. It is foundation paper piece. It's really geared towards the confident beginner or intermediate paper piecer. And I am going to be doing a quilt along, so we'll be making it together. So this quilt, a little bit of the background, is the fourth in my insect series. You may have seen my Buzz quilt, which came out a couple of years ago, which is still available. All these patterns are available on my website. Buzz, the only thing that's paper pieced are the heads. The rest is traditionally pieced. And then I have two other quilts that are paper pieced. Again, my Dragonfly Dance and my Ladybug loop quilt that just got launched last month. They all look super adorable together or by themselves, but let's talk about Butterfly Bunch right now because I'm super excited about it. It will make this mini quilt, and you can certainly make lots more blocks, these bigger blocks, or smaller blocks, the butterfly blocks, to make a much larger quilt. The mini quilt is really manageable. It's really great because you can use just what you have. You can make a scrap from your stash, scraps from your stash. You could see the butterfly petals. Or I guess they wouldn't be petals. They would be sort of wings, are about the size of my hand. So use what you have and then add a little bit of yardage. It's also a really great block and quilt to make if you want to get the hang of paper piecing, because we're going to be making 4 of the same blocks. So it's nice and repetitive. You'll really get the hang of it, but it's not so many blocks that you're going to get bored. So what do you get with the pattern? You get, when you download it, this really lots of documentation. You get in the cover, you could see, has a nice full color photo. You have all of the requirements for fabric. And then I always include lots of both diagrams. Hold on a second, let me get to it. Lots of diagrams and the narratives, knowing that everyone learns and reads in different ways. So in the quilt along, which I'll get to in a minute, we're going to go through a lot of this. And then you also get a coloring sheet, so you can play with colored pencils or fabric swatches and arrange how you want your butterfly bunch blocks to look. Right here I have one that I'm working on. So I'm going to be probably working on solids, a solid fabric with the quilt along, and you can see the back of it. So this is the deal. The pattern is on sale now. You can download it, and then next week we're going to start together making it, and we'll go through all of my tips and tricks to how I stay organized and little things that'll make your paper piecing even more successful. So check out the pattern. It's on my website for sale, shop.wholecirclestudio.com. Download it, get ready, and next week we'll all get organized together. Let's make something awesome.